Hello, in this video I will show you how to send some text on the Microbit LEDs. We can choose the name for this project, for instance LEDs project. You can type this name on that field. We use Microsoft Make code to do this. There are three ways to write this code. The first using Scratch, the second using JavaScript, or the third to using Python code. After the execution of start events, two commands will be executed. The first one will show the predefined icon, smiley icon of the screen, and the second one will show some text on the display. This arrangement of the LEDs you can see on the simulator on the left side of the screen. The icon of the smiley is shown in the simulator only once. Click on the three-dot button to see pop-up menu, and then click to connect device button to connect the Microbit with computer. Click the button Next. Select Microbit from the list and then click Connect button. You maybe have more Microbits, and you can see that Microbit is connected. Click on the Done button. The Microbit is connected, and you need to click on the Done button. Click to the Download button. Click to Download button to copy this application on the Microbit. The other way will be to click on the Save button and save the file in binary form on the computer. The file have an extension .hex. Connect the Microbit with computer. Then look, here the smiley is shown first, and after that the text is shown. If we want this command execute repeatedly, we will choose while command with the condition equals true, and put these commands into the body of while loop. Let's look JavaScript code. Let's copy that code on the Microbit. Let's click on three-dot button, and you can see that Microbit have been connected. You can see now the smiley button and text hello, more time shown. The next exercise show how to use the buttons on the Microbit. Let's create a new project. Give it the name buttons. Remove unnecessary command. We'll keep on start block. We will add while loop with condition equal true. Let's add the selection statement from logic group of commands. We can add more branches if we want. The else if block. We can add the condition from input. At the first we will check if both buttons are pressed. You can see which block we will add. In the combo box we will choose the necessary button, A or B or both of them. We will put show text command into the branches. From basic palette we can choose show string and put. We will change only text. At the first we will add C, on the second branch we will add A, and last branch we will add B, and we will add the clear screen in the else. Let's look the JavaScript code. You can see if, else command. We can use forever block instead combination on start and while with condition true. Click the download button to copy that code on the Microbit. We can test the application on the simulator. We will add the while loop at the first and put if statement into it. Disconnect the device and connect it again. So click the pair button and choose from the list. We will eject the Microbit and put it again. Click the next and done. Click the download to copy this file. If you have batteries on the Microbit, you can disconnect Microbit and use the batteries. We will try on the simulator first. Click on the button A and then on the button B. Let's try that on the Microbit. Let's press one button and then next button and both of them. The next exercise show us how to play tone and the other sound on the Microbit. You can see now complete code there, and at JavaScript too. We will use previous code, and then we will add the block command for play tone. Remove necessary. Remove the command show string. From the palette music we can choose play tone. Arrange different tone at the selection statements. You can choose tone from palette music, and in the end we will add stop all sound and put it in the else block. Choose the tone, for instance middle E. We will save this code on the Microbit. Let's try on simulator. now we hear corresponding sound when we pressed one button and the other and both of them. In this exercise you will see which gestures you can use from the palette. You can see complete code in JavaScript, in Python, and let's create a new project. The name of that project will be Exercise 5 Gestures. Let's start with the onStart block, then choose the while loop and put into it. Let's add more branches in the if statement. Add only 2 branches for now. To check which gesture trigger an event, we drag this block from input palette. We will add more similar blocks for checking gesture events. If the tilt left event is triggered, we will add left arrow. Opposite of them, we will add we use the block show arrow, left or the right. Save now your code on the Microbit, and you can see how this program is executed. And now turn left the Microbit, and you can see left arrow, turn right, and you can see right arrow. That's it. This exercise shows you how to use a compass. Let's look. Complete code is here in JavaScript and Python. Let's create a new project. The name of this project will be Exercise 6 Compass. You can remove unnecessary block. We need to calibrate the compass at the first. You can find input, and below click on the more to find the calibrate compass block and put it. After on start event, we add loops, while loops with true condition, and we will find next command on the basic. We will add a while loop after calibrating the compass, and the compass heading give us an angle. That angle is shown by compass. We must find the show number at first and put compass heading into it. The compass heading read value from the compass and copy the program to Microbit. You can see now Microbit how the compass is calibrating. Here is you can see an angle from compass in degrees. The next exercise is about acceleration projection on the coordinate axis. Therefore, we can indirectly measure acceleration in the x, y and z direction. Using acceleration, we can indirectly measure displacement. You can see here complete program. Let's create a new project now. Name it exercise 7 accelerometer. Remove unnecessary block. Let's add the while loop. Change this condition on true. We'll need the show number block from the basic palette. This block show the value of acceleration. Put the show number function, put the acceleration block to that function as the parameter and choose y from the combo box. You can change this value if you want. Copy this code on the Microbit. You can click on download button. You need to move your Microbit to see acceleration in the y direction. What is actually shown here is the projection vector of gravitational acceleration. This exercise shows how messages are transmitted through radio communication. This program has two parts. One for sending message to other microbits and the other for receiving message from other microbits. We need two microbits and that code will be copied to both. Let's create new project. We will name that project exercise 8 radio communication. We will connect one microbit at the first and copy that project on it, and then disconnect it, and then connect the other mic. When on start event is triggered, we will set radio group for some number. The other microbits must have same radio group to receive some message. And then the radio send string will be triggered. Next we need on radio received string. On radio received function have received string as parameter. We put show string into it. The received string is passed as parameter. We need one more block when the button B is pressed, and then show string function is triggered. look how to prepare the other microbit. Let's put the batteries inside. Let's connect this microbit with computer. This is necessary because we want to copy our program on Microbit at the first. Let's copy our program to connected Microbit. Click on the download button. You can see our program on this slide. We need to add the radio send string block. We passed string as parameter. The show string block display some text on same microbit, but radio send string will send some string to other microbits. Let's copy this updated code on the microbit. We will disconnect the other microbit from the computer. We connect the battery box now with microbit. You can see both microbits now. When we click A button on one microbit, this character will be shown to both microbits. And now we will click some buttons on second microbit. The next exercise shows how to read some data from Compass and send it to serial port. Compass with serial output will be name of that project. The purpose of sending some data to serial port is actually sending some information to other application installed and running, which is running on desktop computer and which need this information. We will add a while loop with condition equals true into onStart block. We need to add the calibration compass command before the while loop. The commands for serial port we will find on the palette serial. We will choose serial write value block, and we will set some value inside this block. We will read that value from compass and set variable. We use the block compass heading. From reading this, copy this code on the microbit. That's all in this video. Thank you for your attention. See you again next time. Bye.